Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will configure port channel between two Cisco router to increase bandwidth from 1G to 2G using two physical interface. We will use LACP assign an IP address on the port channel and test connectivity step by step. This lab is very useful for core router WAN aggregation and redundancy design. We can understanding what is the port channel. Port channel and ether channel combine multiple physical interface into the one logical interface. Some benefits is increased bandwidth like 1G and 1G like 2 Gbps. Link redundancy, if any link goes down, then another link also working. Load balancing and no STP blocking for the port channel. So this is the functionality or in the functionality for the port channel. So we can start the both firewall in my lab. Okay, I'm just starting and wait some time. We can start configuration. First, we can go to configure terminal, then show the interface, do show IP interface brief. We will show the interface of the router. We can using those two interface. So we create first port channel interface, port channel 1. I am using 1. You can use 1 to 60 any port channel. So there is no shutdown. Then we can set the IP address 10.10.10.1/subnetting mask 255.255.255.255. Sorry, 252. Okay, then exit. Okay, now we can assign the port channel into the physical interface range giga ethernet 1 to 2. Okay, I'm using the range. If required to change, if required to configure a 1 by 1 port, then you can first 1 giga ethernet 1, then configure 2. So channel no shutdown, then channel group 1 mode. What is the mode? Mode is the active and passive. I'm using active. Okay, then CS. Okay, ready. Yeah, you can show the down. After that, you can automatically getting up. Okay, do show IP interface brief. Okay, yeah, you can check the down, and this one is up. This one up because of the physical interface up, but protocol not down because of another side port channel not configured. So we can configure now router 2. Okay, enable config terminal, do show IP interface brief. So yeah, I'm checking the interface 2. Okay, so port channel interface port channel 1. Okay, down, then no shutdown, IP address 10.10.10.2, subnet mask 255.255.252. Okay, exit. Now go to the interface range Giga Ethernet 1 minus 2. No shutdown. Shutdown. If required to any add description, you can add description. Okay. So channel group 1 mode. Okay, let's see. Do show IP interface brief. Look, already port channel up, and in the port channel 1 I am assigning the IP addresses. So check the do show ether channel summary. Look, RU, that's mean R mean L3 and U mean capital U, in use. Okay, that's mean this port channel using layer 3 and use. So I also checked the primary also. Exit show IP interface brief. Look, it's also so I am checking the show ether channel. So ether channel summary. Look, RU Z1 and Z2 bundle using protocol LACP. RU means and R2 also up. So capital R means layer 3 and U means in use. Okay. Now check from router 1 to 2. Okay, 2 IP, router 1 to 2 IP, ping 10.10.10.2. Yeah, it's success. I also check from router 2, ping 10.10.10.1. We're getting from 1. So our port channel configuration and working successfully. So today we have successfully configured Cisco router to Cisco router port channel and increased bandwidth from 1G to 2G using LACP. Thank you so much for watching this video.